Over here you can see that I got 3 video clips right here, and then what you can do is you can apply attributes, that is certain attributes in one video, and copy and paste them in the other videos as well. So I'm going to select out the first clip right here, and now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to the inspector and change around certain attributes. For example, I'm going to go around over here onto the zoom section and utilize the zoom right here, change around the position right here, and let me just go around, change around the angle as well, and let me just go around and add in a bit of crop as well. So over here there are other clips as you can see, but the attributes are not applied to them. But if you want to apply the same attributes as this to the other 2 clips, then you can right click on the clip right here and simply go around and choose copy. So once you do that, you can go around onto the other clip right here, right click, and over here you can see paste attributes is an option. You can go around and click, and what happens is that it tends to ask you like which attributes you want to keep. So there's certain attributes that can be applied, as you can see, like there's the zoom level, crop right here, just like this, and so forth. So you can go around and then even add in motion if you want to, but I'm just going to go around and keep in crop, and then the position right here and so forth. So I'm just going to go around and press apply. So once I do that, the same attributes that was applied onto this clip is now applied over here, and you can do the same over here as well. You can paste around the attributes and press apply, and the attributes are applied over there. So that is how you can go around and then copy and paste attributes between clips inside of Davinci Resolve. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.